Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a quicker video because I am pre-planning here, and I debated leaving this in real time, but I didn't think it would be as, interesting, because I don't fill out really anything in it, and I'm just laying down stickers, where the other ones I'm like filling things out and kind of talking. Actually, I don't think I've talked about any of my Plan With Me's at all since I've started redoing them, and I have certainly missed them. I feel like I can go hot and cold when it comes to Plan With Me's and watching Plan With Me's, but I have been super into them. I don't know if it's because I'm nesting and I'm just like here for like the organization and really trying to make things on point, or I just miss planning because it was like such a huge part of my life. I think when I gave up jewelry on my Etsy store, like, even you guys kind of saw that struggle I went through. It was probably 2 years ago. And I've told stories about it that I've like missed it, and I still miss it like to this day, because you like do all this hard work and it's something that you loved at one point and then you let it go. Same thing with planning. You kind of like, I let it go obviously because I'm working full time. I am now 35 weeks pregnant. When you see this, I may be 36. Not quite sure. Because I have to upload a vlog next, and I have the Plan With Me, or the vlog just went live, and I have a Plan With Me next. Anyway, so I'm doing like vlog Plan With Me like every other week, so I can maybe get some quote unquote built up videos. And I know when I go into labor, I am not going to be doing much vlogging, and probably soon after I won't be doing much vlogging, but I'm hoping that it's not like too long, because I really enjoy vlogging, even though they're not my most viewed videos, but at the same time they're not my most viewed videos. I've definitely produced some flop videos before, but I am actually looking forward to a little bit of a break as far as work goes, and this is my last full week of work. I know that sounds crazy because I'm not due until December 22nd. My birthday is February 22nd. My mom is November 22nd. So if he comes on the 22nd, that's kind of cool, because then we got some 22nd babies. Anyway, so this is my last full week, because the following week after this, we have Thanksgiving, which I have Thursday and Friday off. I took the Monday off after Thanksgiving, and then I had 4 more days. So I took that Monday, and then I take Friday off. Then the following week, I take that Friday off. And then the last week, which will be the week of, let me pull it up. My last day is the 19th. So that week is the 16th through the 19th. And again, I have that Friday off. And then I have the 23rd through the 1st off, whether he's here or not, just because of my PTO. So it'll be good to just have some time off if he's not here, because I'm gonna be hella pregnant at that point if I'm due the 22nd and he's still not there. But I think they may induce me early since I have gestational diabetes, but they haven't put me on insulin yet, and they, I think, induce at 39 weeks with insulin, and they don't let you go over 40 and a half weeks, because you can go up to like 42 now, which is crazy. Lord, that would be terrible. 42 weeks pregnant. Oh my. But yeah, so I think the latest he can come would be Christmas or the day after Christmas. Oh Lord, please come early. I want his birthday to be before Christmas. Actually, I don't really care when his birthday is. I would like it before. And it'd be fine. You know what I mean? Like, everything's fine and just natural. But okay, this was a quick one. I'm wrapping it up here. Have a good night, guys.